The world can be imagined as a big marketplace since people communicate with each other and exchange their assets. In this market, sometimes very rare spices were placed in the head corner, sometimes precious metals. In addition to these eye-catching substances, it is very easy to find all kinds of consumer goods that we can think of. In the midst of this ongoing situation, people chose to create a campaign to attract more customers and earn more money from their existing customers. The first option for this was considered a discount. Later, the extra gift method became involved in our lives. One of the latest and most creative ideas was that each purchase was valued at a certain point value, and as a result, the people who bought these products also had those points. In this way, people will both meet their needs and have the opportunity to receive extra gifts during their daily routine. This is a program that seems very useful, with its own dead ends. Image by Speedy McBroom from Pixabay. When we look at the recent past, we can see that people living on Earth have points in very different areas. Credit card spending, airline miles, points that can be earned at gas stations, and others. Each one is an example of creative opportunity from its point of view, but they are not perfect. For example, you can't use the points you collect in different areas to spend on a credit card.
And the points you have accumulated will be deleted from your account forever without even informing you one day, and you will not be able to use them. There is not enough campaign-supported companies to use the points effectively.
Assemble Protocol is the name of the platform created in order to avoid such possible problems, to expand the point-based spending and subsequent reward system, and to reach more people easily.
What is Assembly Protocol?
Assembly Protocol, which we know was founded based in South Korea, one of the leading countries of the cryptocurrency industry, is a new platform whose aim is basically to reach people more, respond to their wishes faster, and create areas where they can spend accumulated points for themselves thanks to their scores scattered across different areas.
To achieve this, they also do not stop taking advantage of the blessings of blockchain technology.
They aim to combine scores that are very difficult to follow even with today's technology, under one roof, and create new uses for both people and companies. A chain to store all data, a protocol to prevent them from being lost, and a platform to ensure their security stand out as the three most important components to help while achieving their goals. Assemble Protocol is a blockchain-based global point integration platform that exploits ASM utility tokens, whilst establishing a business ecosystem that can integrate, utilize and monetize existing points and miles to point providers, consumers and retailers.
What are Assemble Protocol products? The Assembly Protocol products are divided into Point Exchange, PG, and Marketplace, MP. In the PG section, users will have the opportunity to transfer points obtained through different categories to the Assemble platform and convert them into cryptocurrencies created on the exchange.
MP, on the other hand, is not only a kind of market where only cryptocurrencies and points are exchanged, but it is almost a marketplace with different users and companies. For example, you can send the points you get from your credit card expenses to PG, where you can convert them to ASM, the unique cryptocurrency of the Assembly Protocol, and spend them as you wish. During this conversion and trading, there are three different roles. These are point consumer, customer, who have points and want to come to the platform and use their points, point providers who are looking for new.
You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.